Good morning guys, I am Ben, Lee is holding the camera. Welcome back to another Evil GT video where today we're taking the RS4 up to Falkirk to get a full system exhaust done.
Car's got a flat
No,
battery.
it hasn't, mate. It's not. Look, the lights are all on.
So how has that actually started? So, you know, this battery's been flat for like a year. So obviously we can't drive that up to Scotland. So Nathan Birch Transport right, kindly offered to take it up for us. How much is it going to cost us?
From here to Scotland, it will be around 350.
Okay, which is not too bad because it's what, 4 or 5 hours?
Yeah.
£1.50 a mile.
Unless it's a short distance, I do a call-out charge. £50 call-out charge, then £150 a mile. Facebook, Instagram, phone number's on there. Give me a phone, WhatsApp, and I'll give you a quote.
She's on her way.
See you in Falkirk.
You will. We are at Stainless Creations finally this morning. The chaps are already smashing through it. One of the big jobs we was worried about was the downpipes, the old ones on, because obviously the thing is the threads all seize and go rusty and knackered and all that kind of stuff. But they have managed to get it off.
Now look at the difference between that and this. Now,
New and old.
Now surely, right, that is massive difference.
Night and day.
Night and day, so there's kilos saved everywhere really, which is just going to make the power to weight ratio of this track car even better.
The one thing they've not been able to salvage is the Lambda Sensors, they're goosed, which is, we knew that was going to happen. That happened on the saloon. So we need new Lambda Sensors. For now we're just going to blank them out, get it home and we'll box it off at home. So is this where the Lambdas should go?
Yeah, they should go.
When the guys did the saloon, we didn't tell them to make it any we didn't say make it loud or quiet or anything, it was as it was, but it is really loud, so we did it, I think it was 125 decibels, full whack when you revved it. So this one, can we pick maybe around 90? Because then we don't go over the noise regs on the track.
Yeah, it should be fine. So what we're going to do with this one's bigger back boxes and then an additional 2 silencers where the cats would have been. You can test it at the end, but I'm pretty sure that'll be fine. Okay.
But one thing we were discussing before, we were saying about all the weight we've stripped out of it, but these guys have got a little weighing section here. What is it?
It's really for part of the MOT, so we can check the weight on each axle.
Oh, right, okay.
So it's not going to be as accurate as a weighbridge, but it's going to give you a good indication of where you are.
We think there's about 150 kilos stripped out of this car, interior, all the little nuts and bolts and bits and bobs. So we're hoping it's going to be around 1,600 kilos. I think these were about 1,750 out of the factory, I think.
So these here are the downpipes that Stainless Creations have made. A lot of people will go with like Miltex usually off the shelf, won't they? Which I think our saloon had, to be honest with you, because they had to have them because I think ours were knackered. But yeah, they look absolutely mint. So if you were to just do a set of downpipes, how much are they?
The majority of this job's the labour. Almost all RS4s are a nightmare to come apart.
Do you ever just fabricate? So if you was to just fabricate a set of downpipes and then sell them, you wouldn't
It's not really something we do. We prefer to build it on your car so that it fits perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
So when we come and did the saloon months ago now, we didn't actually know what good welding looked like. We were just like, oh yeah, it's welding. But a load of you guys commented saying the welding is amazing. And now, because we're experts in welding and the finish, I mean, look at this. Look at how good that is.
Beautiful.
And we've seen some exhausts now from big manufacturers, and they're nowhere near as tidy as that.
Mentioning no names.
Mentioning no names, but they just get mass produced. This is a custom exhaust, and you can tell time has been taken to make it look good, even though it's underneath the car, and you're never going to see it unless you get it on a ramp. But yeah, that is tidy. Previous video we did on this, we did show you all the sort of like the fabrication, the bending of the pipes and a lot of the welding together, all the bits. But if you wanted to see that, if you've got a bit of a welding fetish, go and have a look at that previous video. I'll put it up there somewhere. On the saloon we actually got the black tips, so these are just the normal tips, but it is a track car so they still look good. These back boxes are actually a little bit bigger than the ones we've got on the saloon, purely for noise, keep the noise down a little bit. and we've also got an extra silencer at the front end where the catch used to be, and that should keep the noise down a little bit as well. These guys will do it to however you want. If you want it dead noisy, they'll do it. If you want it dead quiet, they'll do it. If you want, they'll just do whatever you want.
Tuck shops here.
Hey, when in Scotland, there's only one drink to have.
Gents, we've got no cash.
Oh, come on.
Can we borrow a fiver off?
No, fuck.
This is trying to borrow money off tight Scotsman. That's even worse than Lee. Lee's going to see that as a proper win. He'll be talking about that the whole way home. Send Lee your bank details.
I've only just realised this. Things are bigger in Scotland. Look at that star bar.
Is that a proper one?
Back in
Proper
England,
size?
yeah, back in England, that'd be about that big. This is the original iron brew from back in when they first made it.
So that's probably out of date then, isn't it? I don't think your theory on Scottish chocolate bars is right, because that's...
Is this a load of fresh air at the end?
Could you explain to the audience why you put a H in and not an X?
Because it makes it really raspy.
He said it sounds is what he said, so that was better. That was a better... I'm no expert, but that gap ain't very big.
I ain't getting in that. I've got no chance.
In you get, but so are you. I'm getting there. Come on, fit. What?
I'm not even joking. I ain't getting in.
You can. In you get.
If I get in, I can't get out.
That's fine. That's fine.
Then I'll learn the coat.
Ah, your new coat. You're nearly in.
No, I feel claustrophobic.
What?
I'm gonna have to get out.
You're basically in.
Can't get out.
This is tight, this. I'll have a very high-pitched voice if we crash. Mate, that was mint, that. You've got to get in. You've got to try. I reckon if you get both feet, you've got to get in. Honestly, you'll love it. I don't know, I'm trying to suss out the best way of...
It's dead easy, isn't it? Dead easy to get in and out.
Yeah. Dismount, have that. So now I've been out and it was mint. Come on. Yeah, that'll do.
Can't get me
That'll
leg in.
do, just that'll do there. That's why you need to put both feet in.
I can't get both feet in.
You can't, easy.
I can't get in. It's actually easy than the other time.
Yep, right, now go with both feet.
How do I put both feet in when I've need feet to stand up on, don't I?
If you go like this, on the door somehow.
Yeah, somehow. You're telling me to do 2 feet, but you're not telling me how
I'll
to
tell you
do
what,
it.
yeah, put your left foot in,
Look,
then
you
your
don't
right
even know how
foot
to
in.
do it yourself.
Put your left foot in, then your right foot in.
No, it's not the hokey cokey. I can get in. I can't get in. No, I'm able to get in, and there's no possible way I can get in.
Like, it used to be me who was a scared passenger.
I'm not scared, that's the thing. I'm not bothered.
Debatable that, mate,
I'm
I
not
think.
bothered. I can't get in.
Debatable. I think the guys at home will be able to tell us whether that is the truth or not.
Look, what are we here for? Stainless Creations, we're here for an exhaust, not to see how I can get
so
folded
it does
in
now.
half.
Deflects.
Don't encourage him. We're not here to We're not here to
Do you want to
encourage
drive
him.
then instead?
I can't get in any of it.
That seat moves.
Yeah, driver's seat moves, mate. You're getting there.
Only if you go in the passenger.
Yeah. I'd rather to my hands and clap.
There you go. lunchtime, 1 o'clock, picked the Nando's up and it started doing it again, which is not very good because we're miles away from home. Try again, yeah?
I mean, it's got a mind of its own, hasn't it? What's going on with it?
If anybody knows what that is, please tell.
Even in manual, then when I was changing manual, it was like it was changing gear, but it's like a boom, boom, and then it's like you're riding the clutch. But yeah, weird, that, really weird. Sounds mint, that. Yeah.
I know at the track they do it a little bit closer, they do it like half a metre. But yeah, it's going to be no more than 85.
About 95, 98.
Alright.
Sound that?
I thought it was louder than that.
So did I.
I'll say that. That's why I didn't fail the noise test the whole part.
Yeah.
Because it's under.
No one was bothered. It never used to sound like that.
So we've solved one problem of getting an amazing exhaust gun on it. Now the engine sounds like shit.
Sounds ropey. Yeah, it could be something to do with the fact it's got no Lambda Sensors or anything, but it never did that the other day.
And there's another noise when you come here.
Yeah, that's we think that's the air pump, like some sort of air pump that we've chopped off.
So from here back, it's like a brand new.
Like a brand new.
And the front bit is now knackered.
Yeah.
Is that what you're trying to say?
I'm definitely not. That was not making that noise the other day. So.
Oh well, at least we don't have to drive it home.
No, thank God.
True.
That's
That
a
is
good
true.
point.
Yeah.
We've been left a card
And some beers.
and some beers from somebody.
Thanks so much.
So much, yeah.
That's not Barry Scott who does the Silly Bang adverts, is it?
And the dirt has gone.
Barry, thank you very, very much for that. Very much appreciated. After this weekend, with the antics and me drinking and stuff. That's a pint, that, innit? Them beers are all yours, mate, yeah?
I will take them home. Thank you very much, Barry.
The card.
I appreciate it.
I'll have the card. Thank you very much, mate. Much appreciated.
Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. So we've got a rough estimate of the weight.
Very rough, yeah.
Yeah, 1616.
1616 kilos roughly is what it is now. It should be, according to Google, 1710. So that's 94 kilos lost. But I think that's a decent amount.
We've taken 100 kilos out of the car.
Yeah, not bad.
Take that all day long.
All day long.
Yeah, it makes me want to get the Sylvia back.
Yes.
But that ain't anytime soon, is it?
No.
But if this is running 400, it feels like about 600. It feels as much powered as the Sylvia's running.
Yeah.
The 2J.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another amazing job done by the lads here, Sean and Graydon. Legends, much appreciated. That exhaust looks absolutely mint. It sounds mint. It's quiet, isn't it? It's quiet compared to the saloon. That's the whole idea because there's noise regs.
So yeah, 85 decibels at the most, so that is well within any track limit in the UK for noise. The only problem is the engine now, so there's a problem with it. We'll get it back into Awesome. They can have a look at that. Hopefully it's going to be okay. We've booked a track day, Anglesey, May sometime.
10th of May.
10th of May. Hopefully the engine's okay. If you do need anything doing exhaust wise, and these guys do loads of other stuff on like just regular car garage stuff, but as far as exhaust fabrication goes, absolutely mint, these guys. Second one we've had done now, the first one got a massive reaction, really good. They will do it to however you want, decibel level, resonators wherever you want and stuff like that. So yeah, give them a call. The phone number's in the description. Thanks again, Stainless Creations, links in the description. And you're definitely driving home this way.
Why are you not driving anymore? I thought you loved this car. I thought it was your favourite.
I'll see you in 4 hours. Wake me up when we get there.
See you in a bit.